I was right. So guys, yeah, it was I don't know. She was challenging me for something, but I don't know if it's because of what I did with Monica before. Now I'm having that subconscious dream here, but I wait. Hold on.
Let's begin with the plantain. Add 4 cups of water and salt into a medium-sized saucepan and heat over medium heat. Next, let's cut plantains. A large enough for you to be able to grate after they are cooked. A half onion cut into dice. One garlic clove. A bunch of basil. This is what I learned from Chef Pablo. Piling all the leaves of basil and then rolled it and sliced. After 5 to 10 minutes, the plantains are ready. Set aside before grating. Next, let's prepare the coconut milk. Isn't it amazing? Making your own coconut milk is something like, that's a really good experience. Well, I used to do this in the Philippines though. It's fun. Let's begin to cook. I added 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Then add the onions. The garlic, and of course the stems of the basil.
So Chef Pablo, I can smell the aroma of these onions, garlic, and the basil. This is amazing. This is a great idea to add the stem of the basil. This is so useful. So I am just gonna stir it.
So you just want to make sure that you just stir it there quickly. Yeah, fantastic.
Next, let's pour the coconut milk. And I just want to add a pinch of salt and a pinch of ground black pepper. All right, so let's gonna simmer this for 10 minutes.
Really good.
All right, Chef Pablo, I'll see you later. Thank you for the recipe and thank you for trusting me to make this traditional Belizean Sere recipe. Thank you so much.
It was good talking to you, and you know what? I'm gonna head back to finish my pork sisig. I'll talk to you soon. Ciao.
See you later.
While simmering the coconut milk for 10 minutes, let's get to know more about Chef Pablo. Chef Pablo valued traditions and family. His passion reminded me of my time with my mom through food. If you love and appreciate food, cooking, artisan beverages, and humor to share with the people you cherish, as a professional chef, he spent most of his career working with top hotels and resorts around Central and North America. He brings a very diverse cooking culture and techniques that he has learned from the Caribbean and Latin community that have helped inspire and influence the way he cooks. Going back to our cooking.
So meanwhile, while simmering the coconut sauce, let's prepare 1 medium of red snapper. One, two, three, and one more there. There you go. And then a little bit of lemon juice, salt inside and out, and then black ground pepper. I'm so excited because fish is one of my favorite dish to have. And then let's just sip some flour. There you go. Shower you with the flour. One more time.
Set aside for 2 minutes. Meanwhile, let's do our plantains.
Let's shape the plantain. This is cool and so good. Oh my god. Oh, this is already a treat for me. So good. I just love plantain.
Just to let you know, eating these plantains is out of Chef Pablo's instructions. I'm so sorry, I'm just hungry. Plantains are starchy, tough, and not very sweet. They require cooking as they are not enjoyable to eat raw.
Alright, since the coconut is done, let's transfer into the bowl. And we can blend so the flavor infuse together. Let's fry the fish. So, in a high heat temperature, let's add 1 cup of cooking oil. One half of cooking oil and let it sit there for a while. By the way, if you love seafood, this seafood sere that Chef Pablo did is really good. So good. So don't miss out. Check it out later. And I think the oil is ready, and let's start frying the fish.
Belizean Sere is a very common traditional meal. It is a creamy coconut fish soup infused with local spices, served with a side of seasoned ripe plantains. This meal will certainly leave your taste buds bursting with flavor. As you can see, I am making 2 Belizean Sere plating presentations. The first is the traditional one, as fish should be bathing in a coconut sauce, and this one is my own version. This is so tempting, and I can't wait to eat. This is something special. By the way, this is gonna be my first time to eat Belizean food. How exciting is that? Alright, let's dig in!
Wow, so good. Wow. The mixture of natural ingredients, aromatic and creamy coconut is deceiving rich, flavorful, and will transport your mind to one of the world's most delicious food. I promise you, it's so good. It's just the sauce. Let's try the fish. This is amazing. See the fish and dip with the sauce. Wow, so good. And the plantain. Oh. And I made a plantain balls. So good. So good. Wow, I'm surprised. Oops. I forgot you're still there. Oops. And by the way, please do check Chef Pablo cooking channel. He is an amazing chef, a real deal chef. Also, I challenge him to make his own version of pork sisig. This is gonna be amazing. So please go check him on his channel and you will see how good he is. You will see how amazing chef he is. And as I always say, I am one of his #1 fan. Yes. #1 fan. It's here. And thank you for trusting me, Chef Pablo. Bye.
Thank you for watching. For more cooking and simply delicious recipes, don't forget to subscribe. Till next time.